Are you tired of trying all the affiliate marketing methods but always end up wasting a lot of time and effort researching and experimenting without any results? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle to make money through affiliate marketing, and I can empathize with that struggle. I too invested time and effort only to see no results. However, things changed for me recently when I decided to promote a website and began earning my first commission. What's remarkable is that I employed a new TikTok account to promote this tool, and creating the videos didn't consume much time, maybe 15 minutes. I won't reveal the specific program I promoted, but I'm willing to share the exact strategy I followed with you. Whatever field you are thinking of working in, this strategy will work for you. Follow along with me until the end. Despite the simplicity of the strategy, it demands consistency. I achieved the initial 2 recurring commissions in just a week. These commissions repeat every month as long as customers continue to use the software. It may take more time for some and less for others, but success is not too far away. I would like to express my gratitude for all your comments. Please like the video. Let's get started. The first step is to create a TikTok account. Next, log in to Google Bard to craft a concise bio using this prompt. Can you help me come up with a TikTok bio for my account? Please include relevant emojis and use high searching keywords to make it stand out. For example, in the food niche, a detailed bio was provided, but we'll ask for an 80-character limit. Feel free to request a page name here. Afterward, log into TikTok and update your profile. To create your profile picture, design a professional logo using Ideogram AI. Ideogram is a website that uses AI to generate logos and other text-based images. Ideogram is currently free to use and does not require any credits or limitations. To generate a logo, input your search terms and provide a detailed description of your preferences. For instance, I'll instruct him to design a 3D logo that embodies luxury and elegance for an upscale restaurant named Food Fanatic. The logo should exude sophistication and class, incorporating elements that symbolize fine dining and culinary excellence. Please ensure that the text, Food Fanatic, is prominently featured above the logo in a stylish and visually appealing manner. The color scheme should reflect opulence and refinement, and the overall design should convey a sense of exclusivity and gourmet dining experience. Make sure to select the square size, and the crucial step is choosing the appropriate style. Changing the style alters the entire design. I'll opt for 3D render, ukiyo-e, and dark fantasy, then click on generate. The designs are ready and look elegant. If you dislike the designs, try changing the style and you'll notice the difference. I personally like this logo, which I can download from here. Now I'll return to my TikTok account and add the picture to my profile. This is how my account looks now, all set up nicely in just a few minutes. Now let's dive into the practical steps of implementing the strategy, and I'll share some tips I personally use. You should start by searching for affiliate programs, and you can find them on global networks like ClickBank, Amazon Affiliate, Warrior Plus, and many others. Alternatively, try Googling the name of your niche followed by affiliate program, and numerous sites with various programs will appear for you to explore. Here's a valuable tip. For beginners in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to choose a well-known product. This is because you won't need to persuade the customer to buy it. That task is already eliminated. You won't have to convince them because the product is already known and guaranteed. Your role is to cleverly convert it into an affiliate link. Let me provide an example in the field of online work. Some of the most renowned affiliate programs include HubSpot, Envato, and Hostinger. These platforms are global and highly in demand. In the field of AI, there are options like InVideo AI, Jasper AI, and Copy AI. In every niche, success is possible, so don't worry. After selecting around 3 programs, proceed to Linktree and sign up for free using your TikTok username. Click on Continue, choose a name, specify your field, and opt for the free package. Click on Join for free. Linktree offers various themes. Select one. I prefer the black color, so I'll choose that. Download the logo, image, and click Upload. Now it's time to add affiliate links. Click on Add Link, paste the first link, and repeat for others. Add a short, direct title for each link. Finally, download a small image or icon and attach it to each link. Linktree provides numerous icons. I'll use ones related to cooking and food for each link. This easy process yields a professional result. Preview how it looks on both the computer and phone. To share the link to the page we created, click Share and insert this link in your TikTok bio. Now is the time to publish content, but don't do it randomly without a plan. Follow this strategy. 80% of your content should be educational, with only 20% as direct advertising. Apply this method for at least 2 months. How? If you plan to post a video daily, that's 30 videos a month. Of these, 80% or 24 should be educational, providing tips, secrets, information, and explanations about your niche. This means 6 educational videos every week, with only 1 video each week dedicated to advertising your product. If you aim for 2 daily videos, stick to the same strategy. Initially, TikTok won't allow you to add a link until you hit 1,000 followers, so focus on making your content 100% educational at the start. Once you surpass 1,000 followers, it gets easier, bringing you closer to earning from affiliate marketing. Remember, commit to this strategy for at least 2 months. Consistency is key, but I can't guarantee 100% success during this period. Nothing is ever 100% guaranteed. To find ideas for your educational content, there are numerous sources available. Start with TikTok itself, where you can search using keywords or follow individuals in the same niche as you. Each video interaction holds potential inspiration. Try incorporating similar ideas while ensuring your content is unique. Explore beyond TikTok. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Quora offer valuable insights. Additionally, leverage free artificial intelligence tools like Perplexity AI to save time. This powerful search engine simplifies information retrieval. Pose questions, and it will provide clear answers, along with external sources, including insights from Movavi, Reddit, and more. Strikingly, it suggests additional questions to spark new ideas for your content. The final step is to create short educational videos, and you don't need any editing experience. Thanks to artificial intelligence, you can effortlessly produce viral videos. Simply use your phone to capture yourself or a computer screen while delivering a concise message in a short video. Adding captions is crucial as it boosts the average viewing rate and expands your audience. While CapCut is a free option, its text accuracy may be lacking. For a more thorough job and superior quality, consider Submagic. This AI tool supports multiple languages, saving you time and effort. Register on the Submagic website, upload your recorded video.
What their most important life goals were, and over 80% said that a major life goal for them was to get rich. And another 50% of those same young adults said that another major life goal was to become famous.
And with a click, it adds precise text and dynamic emojis, captivating viewers from the first glance.
And over 80% said that a major life goal for them was to get rich. And another 50%.
You have full editing control with various styles to choose from. The video is ready without any additional modifications, and the text is correct.
And another 50% of those same young adults said that another major life goal was to become famous.
Another beneficial feature is the generation of a ready-made video description. Click Export to download the video. While Submagic is a paid tool, you can try it for free. To download videos, there are 3 packages. The first, at $20 per month, provides 20 videos. Opting for an annual plan reduces the cost to $16 per month. The second Pro package, my preferred choice, priced at $50, offers a remarkable 100 videos monthly, sufficient for over 3 months of content publication and strategy implementation. Recently, this package included 70 videos, but now it provides 100 videos. Opting for an annual payment reduces the monthly cost to $40. If you have the means and want to maximize its benefits, this site is an excellent opportunity. I've secured a promo code Minato10, providing a 10% discount, significantly reducing the overall cost. Take advantage of this offer and observe the substantial drop in price. In this video, we covered the crucial artificial intelligence tools to aid you in your TikTok affiliate marketing journey. We began by demonstrating how to create and professionally set up your account. Next, we explored finding affiliate programs and collecting them on a single page. We shared our insights on content publishing strategy and idea generation. Lastly, we discussed how to create short educational videos that will attract a broad audience over the long term. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you.